Hello friend, welcome to your own channel. Today we'll be discussing a trade which I had taken positionally in a stock which is giving around 25 hour return as of now today. The stock which we'll be discussing today is Astral. So let's do some analysis. What exactly was the premise to buy this stock? Where did I buy and what exactly was the thesis behind this trade? So let's get into that. Okay. As you can see, this is a quite bullish stock. It has given multifold returns in after every correction. You see, after every correction, this stock has given multifold returns. This is kind of a multi-bagger, which the term which is famous in the trading or investing arena. That this is a multi-bagger, stock. So let's do some analysis of this stock. These kind of trades are possible after a correction has been made. Observe, subtle correction has been made in the overall market, and some of the very good performing stocks are available at 20-30% discount. So this is what we look when the market is going down. We stick to some potential good stock which have a proven track record in the past, and they have a niche product, uh, they have a market capture, and you know fundamentally strong stocks. So this is the stock which has been giving tremendous returns right from 2009, or yeah, after its listing, you can say. So as you can see, the most brutal declines for this stock has been to the tune of 40%. You see, 45%, roughly 45%. This is 30%. This is roughly 39-40%. This is 32%. You see, if you see, this is close to 33-34%. The corona scare, roughly 40%. And since January start of this year 2022, it has again given a correction of 38%. Consistently, if it gives a correction of 30% or roughly around 30% to 40%, then this stock has a potential to double triple itself, or if you can say, it has the potential to give a good return going forward. You see, getting my point? So this is the kind of analysis we can do for a good stock which is fundamentally strong, which is being getting corrected instead of getting hammered by the sellers. This kind of stocks just correct. This stock, Asian Paints, Pidilite, I mean, these are the general stocks which have a proven track record in the past. In multi decades, they have performed very, very well. So these are the correction phases where we should be keeping an eye and tapping to the opportunity where it is that very low risk, very least risk, and high reward potential. So this was one stock. There were one more stock or which I made this kind of position, but this is the stock which has given a new high today, all time high. So thus I wanted to discuss about the thesis. So this, as we have seen, as we analyze the correction or the amount of correction percentage wise which this stock has been giving over a decade or so, or more than a decade, then we see that after 35-40%, this has a potential to go up. Probability to go up is higher. So as we can see, if you follow my trading 618 system, if you have not seen the video or explanation of the system rules process which I follow, you can find the link of that particular playlist in my description. I'll provide the link in the top section of this video. You can find this link and go through the rules and regulations of that process. It's an entire system which is sufficient. I bet to say that system is sufficient for making a living out of trading. Period. If a person is selling you multiple strategies, this strategy for day one, that strategy for breakout, that strategy for pullback, then my friend, he is not a profitable trader. The chances of being him profitable is very, very slim. You need one trading strategy or a system, a robust system to make you profitable, nothing else. If you are wondering to search multiple strategies or which is the next holy grail, then it is not possible to make living out of trading or being a successful trader. So just look at this. Once this stock started this correction around January 22, it's a daily chart. It was giving a good, momentum to the downside. It broke this low here, made a new structure low here. After that, as you see, my system said that we will be expecting for a correction. Now this correction was quite deep. That means sellers were not having entire grip over this stock. Instead, people were also buying. Once this new structure low was made here, pullback was deep, then it threw here. Sorry. Then the stock made new low here, right? Once this low was made, the subsequent low, as you can see, were very, very small. This low made on 13th of June was very weak. And the last low, which was made on 20th of June, it is really, really very weak. You see the low difference, the projection between these 2 points, the low of 13th June and the low of 20th June. The projection is very, very weak. That means sellers are not interested in dragging this stock to very lower limits. Getting my point? Now, the last swing was this. This was the last swing which was made, and this lower high was broken on 27th of June. When this was broken, I was alert and I was waiting for a pullback. You see, my workable swing is this. Now I was waiting for a pullback to 61.8. Now, once this swing was, in the formation, I had the alert set at 61.8. So once it reached there, I drilled to 15-minute chart and I'll show you which swing or correction swing I was analyzing. If we remove all this drawing from here, now this is the swing which I was interested in. In order to get a very good risk reward entry, we need to be vigilant and be patient until it forms our required setup. Now, if you drill down here, you can see this was the last swing, lower swing. And once this was broken, I again had a alert setup for 61.8. I had a alert plus I had a buy entry here. I opened futures trade on 30th of June for July contract. Plus I loaded some good quantities in cash market as well, cash segment. So my initial position was on 30th of June when it hit 61.8 of this 15-minute swing. Sorry. Not this swing, it's this swing. This swing, once it was corrected, it made another swing here, low swing. Now this lower swing was broken again here, and now this is our workable swing. 61.8 was here. It triggered a buy here, and I put this stop loss. It was somewhere around here, and I put this stop loss on 15-minute chart. Target was quite upside, quite big, because I was expecting the target on daily charts. If you see, let me get to the point. If you see, the previous all-time high has been broken today, and it has given 25 hour a return till now. The trade is still open. I had already booked the July contract. Uh, July contract was booked here, but the cash segment is still running, and I expect that this stock will be giving some good returns in the coming weeks as well. Because if you see the momentum is not getting diminished, even it is getting stronger and stronger. So the traders, now there are some traders who are called so-called the breakout traders. You see, they will be seeing the breakout over here, all-time high. Now they will be entering here, boom, boom, boom. They will be entering here. They will be entering here. Their buy positions will be putting, buy orders will be residing here. They will be open trade here in order to see the breakout trade. They will be pushing our profits further higher. You see, someone else's position which is getting executed here in the long segment, it will be adding to our existing long position. It will be adding up the profits to our this existing trade. So this was the premise which I had for this stock. The process behind this stock, as I told, is very simple. You need to have a watch list of some fundamentally good stock which have performed quite good, given quite multiple returns or and some returns in the past, or they are having some good potential. For example, if you are aware about this particular company's products, it is also in the segment of the products which are overlapping with the products of Pidilite. It has entered newly into that segment. Previously, it was into PVC pipes. Still, it is into PVC pipes, but they have started owning the market share in these uh, adhesive segment, which is the niche segment for Pidilite. Pidilite, no doubt, it is a mammoth there. It is a giant, but this company is also performing very good. I have even talked to some dealers. They are saying that the demand for its products is really high. You see, the adhesives and Fevicol kind of products which this Astral is providing, these are quite famous. These are getting quite famous. Their distribution is quite good. So these are few small things which we can take into consideration. So this is the stock and the thesis behind the trade which I have executed some time back. So I just wanted to make it a video on this one so that every person can get benefit out of this. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please put your comments in the comment section. Provide your feedback. If you are having any kind of query or suggestion or anything, you can just go to in the comment section. I will be replying it back to you. If you like the video, if you like the content which I'm sharing, please do like, subscribe, and share it to the maximum people so that most people can get the benefit of this free analysis. Till then, thank you and happy trading.